Welcome to Thai Schooling. In this video, we are going to learn how to unlock the write protection or remove the write protection from your SD card. Most of the YouTube videos are longer than 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, but ultimately they fuel nothing. In this video, it's a quick method, an easy method to remove the write protection from your SD card. All you have to do, just move down the lock button. When it is locked, you cannot move the files into your computer. But when you unlock it and again plug in the SD card into your computer, you can easily transfer the file into your computer. So it's all the game of one button. Just move the lock button from lock to unlock, and boom, you can easily transfer the files. That's so easy, but people make it really complicated. To support this channel, please leave a comment and make sure to subscribe. Thank you.